What am I doing today? Today I am going to make yogurt. What do you need? You need room temperature milk. You need sugar, not very much. You need to clean your pan right before it goes into the machine. I am going to use cornstarch, even though the recipe didn't call for it because I tried it once and it didn't turn out. You need a little bit of plain yogurt that you either used from your old batch of homemade yogurt or store-bought. So let's get started. You take your milk. I'm doing a half a recipe. So whole milk. Half a recipe is 2 cups, 1 3/4 tablespoon at room temperature. Then you take natural yogurt. It can be your homemade yogurt or store-bought yogurt. And you need 3 tablespoons. I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons that are heaping. Now it takes 2 tablespoons of sugar. I thought the last time it was sweet, so I'm going to go light on the sugar because I thought it was sweet. So I'm going to go light on the tablespoons. 1, 2, because I found it sweet. And I'm going to put cornstarch in it because I found that it was runny. 1, 2. We're going to mix this up thoroughly. We're going to put it into the clean pan. We don't need the paddle. Take this out. And after it goes into the pan and into the machine, you don't stir it anymore. You leave it alone. Okay, I'm done stirring. I'm going to pour it into here with the paddle removed. Once it goes in the machine, you don't jiggle the machine, you don't stir it, you don't mess with it because you want it to somewhat start setting up. So no paddle, no messing with it. Now it tells you the time that it takes to make the yogurt in the machine is 8 hours, adjustable 6 to 10. Now I used 8 hours the last time and I thought it was still a little runny, so I'm going to try either 9 or 10. And the problem is it only has the heat cycle at the beginning, so you can't go back and just add time to it. Yogurt is number 17, so push this till it gets to 17. And you can adjust the time here, and I'm just going to pick the longer time. Now let's see if the yogurt set up last night and turned out. Kind of looks like it did. Yeah, it looks like yogurt. Well, I might prefer mine a little thicker, but it looks like yogurt. So if you like thicker yogurt, I ended up running that 9 hours, so if you like thicker yogurt, run it 10 hours and add more cornstarch. So I'm going to have mine with blueberries. Today, I'm going to look up a recipe for banana bread.